Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study IELTS in 1 month. To begin, you must first understand the exam structure and how your performance is scored across all 4 parts. Next, honestly evaluate your current English skills to identify areas needing the most attention. Then, develop a comprehensive 30-day study schedule, allocating specific times for each section. This structured approach is crucial for maximizing your preparation within a limited time frame. For the listening section, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practicing with various English accents, like British, American, and Australian. This exposure will significantly enhance your comprehension. In reading, focus on academic articles to build speed and understanding. Practice identifying key information quickly using skimming and scanning techniques. Understanding common question patterns in both sections will also help you anticipate answers and manage your time more effectively during the test. To excel in writing, practice both Task 1 and Task 2 essays consistently. Focus on developing a rich vocabulary and mastering complex grammatical structures to impress examiners. For speaking, dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to practicing common topics. Record your responses and listen back critically to identify areas for improvement in fluency, pronunciation, and coherence. Consistent practice in these areas is key to achieving a high score. Over your 30-day preparation, complete at least 4 full-length practice tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam. After each test, meticulously review your errors to understand where you went wrong and learn from them. If possible, get feedback on your writing and speaking from an experienced tutor. Finally, maintain a positive attitude and practice stress reduction techniques to ensure you are calm and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.